Today I'm going to share with you my favorite $4 hack from Marshall's to elevate your lattes on the go. Marshall's is great for all those little seasonal finds and little touches that just elevate your home experience. I love coming here for different little ways to up my home coffee bar. For example, look at these mugs. Aren't they just adorable? Little accents just make such a nice touch at the start of your day when you're making your coffee or in your kitchen, if you're baking or popsicle molds or what have you. Let's not get distracted. We have a mission. Let's keep it moving. Ooh, those are cool. Okay, where were we? Yes, the paper goods section. Here we are. Dun 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 dun! We found them, the to-go coffee cups. And just look at all those cute little designs. Oh my goodness. They're all springified and ready for Easter. I love these ones with the flowers. Oh, and they have this one here. Ooh, the one with the strawberries in the back is super cute. And let's double check that price tag. Yes, $4.99. Well, technically it's more than $4. It's closer to $5, but girl math, right? We'll get 1, 2, and we're ready to go. Once you have your cups at home, we'll go ahead and get started with our morning ritual, making our latte. I love how these cups come with everything you need, the lid, the sleeve, making you feel like you just paid somewhere between $7 and $9 for a delicious and gorgeous latte. But you got it for a fraction of the price and you made it at home, knowing it's not packed full of sugar and caffeine and who knows whatever else they're putting in there. So for today's morning latte, I'm going with Ube Bliss. This is a really nourishing mushroom blend with shiitake mushroom, ube, nettle, oat straw, and dragon fruit. I love the purple color. The taste reminds me of like a taro milk tea, and I really like preparing it with oat milk. It's really, really tasty that way. It's really nourishing and it's great for days when I don't want caffeine. Of course, you could always add a shot of espresso and make it dirty if you really wanted to, but on its own, it's just packed with so much nutrients from that nettle, which is really mineral dense. Shiitake mushroom is good for vitality, and I don't like the taste of shiitake mushroom or nettle on their own. But when they're prepared in this latte blend, like I said, it tastes like a taro milk tea. It's really, really good. So it's a fun way to sneak some good nutrition in my morning, especially on days when I'm busy with a lot of errands and I might be skipping meals. And I want to make sure I'm starting my day with some superfoods. So once that is all prepared by adding the powder with the hot water, I'm just going to let that sit for a couple minutes. Now, this would either be a time in the morning when I either get my dog's food ready or breakfast ready. Maybe I'll take a few breaths or stretch, just depending on how my morning's going. Once it has had a chance to brew for a few minutes, I'll go ahead and pour it in my cup here. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Wow. Yes, I love this latte so much. And it's really interesting when you prepare it hot, the color is more like a bluish purple. And then when it's cold, it gets more of a lavender purple. It's so interesting how that works. Here is my steamed oat milk. I'm just going to go ahead and add that right in. For the sweetener, I used maple syrup, but you could use whatever sweetener that you like. And of course, it has to be pretty because why not, right? This is our coffee shop at home. Look at that. Ooh, yes. Cha-ching, we just spent $9 for that. Psych. No, this is probably less than $2 right here. Cup included. Perfect. Now, real quick, I'm just going to pack up an order and then we'll get going with our morning walk. Every morning I like to make sure I get the orders packed up for the day and get them off to the post office. as quickly as possible. And I always like packing orders like they're little gifts to the person who ordered them, like their own personal self-care present. They ordered a cacao immortality, which is my hot chocolate mushroom blend. I'm giving them a little 1 ounce of the Ube Bliss, a little affirmation card, and a sticker, because who doesn't like stickers? And boom, we are done, just like that. So now that our order is packed up and ready to go, we are off to the post office. Get the boy leashed up, and here we go.
Yeah, that's a good boy. Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this content. I hope you go to Marshall's and actually find some cute to-go cups to elevate your morning lattes on the go. Let me know in the comments which cute designs you find. And go ahead and give us a like and a subscribe if you would like to see more content like this in your feed. Let me know if there's any other content ideas that you have or videos you would like me to make for you. I'd love to hear your feedback. And until next time, take care.